name is Muhammad Afid Derwantoro, and this is my student ID number. And here is my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Rifki Radian and this is my student number. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey man, how are you? You look sad today.
Oh hi bro, I'm not gonna lie but I feel so bad today.
What happened? Is something bad happened? You know you can talk to me.
Thanks for your attention. Honestly, I feel so stressed out because I cannot pay for my tuition fee for this semester.
I see. Don't you have any saving, or maybe your parents or family can send some money for you?
I don't have any saving. My family also have a financial problem, so I don't want to bother them anymore.
Why don't you apply for a part-time job? You know, it's common to some college students to take a part-time job.
I also have intention for that, but I was busy for my college activity. I also want to apply for scholarship, but I cannot fulfill several conditions for it. I feel so confused.
Don't worry, I have some solutions. Here, check this out. Upwork.
Upwork is an online platform that provides space for freelancer and client to connecting each other without any restriction. In Upwork, there are a lot of opportunities to waiting to be discovered. Upwork stands as a pioneer in online freelancing platform, provide an interactive platform where business and independent professionals coverage to collaborate, innovate, and grow together. Upwork offering rich range service including graphic design, web development, writing, marketing, and with over 80 million users and millions of job posting annually.
First step, create a profile. First, sign up an Upwork account. Then, create a detailed and professional profile showcasing your skill, expertise, and past work experience. If you're done, upload a professional photo and write a compelling bio highlighting your strength and achievement.
Number 2, skill assessment. In skill assessment, you need to take a relevant skill test offered by Upwork to validate your expertise and improve your profile visibility. Achieve a high score on skill test can enhance your credibility and attract potential clients.
Number 3, job search. If you are already finishing the previous step, you can now searching the job that appropriate with you. The way is, browse through your job listing in your field of expertise. Now you can use the filter to narrow down your search based on project type, budget, client and client preference. And remember, read job description carefully to ensure they align with your skill and interests.
Number 4, proposal submission. After you find the job that you want to, you can craft personalized proposal for the job that you want, highlight your relevant skill, experience, and qualification. And you also can tailor your proposal to address the client's specific needs and demonstrate your understanding of the project requirement.
Number 5, communication. After client interest in your proposal, you can communicate with the clients regarding the project scope, timeline, and deliverables. Remember to maintain professional communication and build rapport with clients to foster trust and collaboration.
Number 6, project management. After being awarded with the project, establish clear expectation with the client regarding deliverables, deadlines, and communication channels. Break down the project into manageable tasks and create a timeline for completion. Use Upwork built-in collaboration tools to stay organized and track project progress.
Number 7, work execution. After you get the project, then begin working on the project according to the agreement with the client. Remember to communicate regularly with the clients to provide updates and seek for feedback from the client.
Number 8. submission, and feedback. After you finish the project, you can submit the project in the client. Encourage the client to provide feedback and review the deliverables.
Number 9. Payment. After everything's clear and there are no revision from the client, you can get your payment through Upwork secure payment system. In summary, Upwork has changed the way people work by connecting freelancers with clients' work life. Its easy-to-use platform has opened doors for countless individuals to find jobs or hire skilled professionals, offering opportunities for growth and success to all who join its community.